Hey everyone, and welcome to the Cherokee Turner Photo Video channel. And on today's review, what we have here is something that I found on TikTok. I think everybody's been kind of seeing it around. That is the RF10C from smallrig. There's this guy right here. This is going to be kind of an unboxing video. This is also going to be kind of, we're going to take it through the test, see what it does. I haven't opened this box. This is how I received it. I haven't opened that, so it's got kind of got a little finicky kind of thing right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it right now. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna open the box like this. We're gonna hopefully get a cool little flashlight. So what it comes with, got a little bag. So we got a little bag right here. Little bag. It says smallrig. That's nice. So you get a smallrig bag. Let's see what else we got here. I don't know what that is. It's another bag. I didn't think it was gonna come with so much stuff. Ah, it's a USB cable. Okay, so we got the USB cable. We got another bag here. Usually I do this unboxing kind of thing on a table, but right now my entire workspace is completely shot with 3D print stuff. Oh, okay. So these are the GOBOs. So it comes with a ton of different GOBOs. If you don't know what GOBO is, it goes into this little holder and it creates a shape on the wall with light. These are pretty cool. Little heart, a circle for whatever circle GOBOs you might want to work with. I got a triangle here. Yeah, a little triangle. I'm guessing that's a, I guess it's, I don't know, a target. We've got another bigger circle, kind of like a line. We've got a half circle here, which is kind of cool. Lightning bolt. Cool. Another window pane. I like the window panes. Those are going to be useful. I know I'm going to use those quite a bit. Another cool like window pane kind of thing. That's going to look good. Kind of like a blind situation. This guy right here, checkerboard. Not sure what I'd use that for, but that's kind of cool. Got some bubbles. You want to use some bubbles for the GOBOs. This is kind of cool. Setting sun kind of situation. Planet. I don't think I'll ever use that one, but still pretty cool. Another window pane. Get it focused on there. Another window pane. And then we got another cool window pane right here. Cool box there. And another cool kind of window pane right now. All right, so I believe this is about 20 GOBOs. That's a lot of GOBOs for your flashlight here. That's a lot of GOBOs to hold on a flashlight. Now, you're only going to use one of these at a time, which is going to be cool. But one of the cool things that I'd like to showcase about this thing. So you see how thin and flimsy this thing is? I mean, you know, it's cool. It's gonna go in there. It's gonna block the light. But the cool thing about these are the cool thing about technology nowadays. You can 3D print these. So if you have your own logo, put your own logo in one of these, and you've got yourself own custom logoed GOBO. So you can put that up in your light, which I'm probably going to do. Maybe not in this video, but maybe I'll do a video on how to make your own logo GOBO for your smallrig. That might be cool. But anyway, we've got 20 of these. Fantastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in this little pouch here that it came with. We got a little pouch right here. Came with the smallrig. Now we have another little pouch. See here. This is what the flashlight goes into. Right here. Maybe if I can get it to focus properly. All right. And we got trash. And here we are with the actual product itself. Smallrig. There. Smallrig. Use that sock to dust some of this off. Right off the bat, it says power on by rotating this button half a turn for a second. Right there. Within a second. There we go. Then we have a flashlight, which will go into. Ah! What? Ah! 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 Okay, that's fun. So it is kind of like a flashlight, but you can also kind of focus the beam. So we've got a regular beam, which I love. I believe we can focus them. Ah, that's how it goes in and out. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we got the charging station right here. USB 3, or yeah, USB Thunderbolt cable. But yeah, that's cool. Ah! I'm red. I'm green. I'm blue. And I'm back to white. That's cool. Okay, so anyway, how you focus this beam? You got the beam right here, and you pull it apart, and that focuses the beam. And then you push it forward, and that unfocuses the beam and gives you a broader kind of light. But yeah, gotta focus back here. Focus that beam in, and focus the beam out. Let's see what happens if we move this dial. Doesn't really do much. But yeah, okay, so we got different colors. We got the red, which isn't really bright. Like, I don't have a whole lot of bright light here. That is high as it goes. All right, oh, gotcha. So that turns it up, this turns it down. Gotcha, all the way up, all the way down. Okay, so big bright light. Big yellow light. It's not bad. 10 watts isn't bad. I have a blue light up on top of me, and then we've got a nice big blue light. And if you hold it down, it turns it off. Cool. All right, so we've got this right here. This rotate to turn up and down the power. Half turn powers it on. Holding it down powers it off. It also has a quarter threaded mount right there, so if you want to put it on a light stand, you totally can. You put it on a tripod, totally can. And you also have another quarter thread right here, so maybe you get a couple of these and like string them together. They're only $44. I got this for $44. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. 44 bucks. It's kind of cool. Kind of a must to put it in your toolkit. You never know when you might need one of these, but let's go ahead and do what it's supposed to be doing, and let's see about what it looks like whenever this thing goes on. All right, so here we are in my tiny living area. It's equipped with a small cat tree and the obvious anime poster. This is the first time I turn on the light, and I check it for the first time in true darkness, and it does go fairly bright. The zooming feature on the front end of the light is pretty easy to manage, and it does not go in on itself, so that's a good thing. The light has 3 separate colors: red, yellow, and blue. So I was fiddling around with the light. I'm trying to put on the GOBO holder. It's a little difficult and kind of cumbersome. It is easy to put on, but it always seems to just kind of collapse in on itself, and it's not really ideal. Not really a deal breaker, but more of an annoyance. Also, putting in the initial GOBO is a bit more of a struggle than I had hoped for. I really do like how the window pane GOBOs look. They really do look as if there's like a window shining through onto the wall, adding that little bit of extra to the scene. I wanted to try testing out the zoom and focus capabilities of the light, and let me tell you, there really aren't any. Again, not really a deal breaker, and kind of a lot to ask out of a sub $50 light. These are all GOBOs that come with a smallrig system, and I will leave it here so you can see them without distraction from me. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of review, kind of tutorial over how to use this smallrig RC 1010 watt max LED flashlight with GOBOs. Not very powerful, cool GOBOs. It's neat. Might be cool to have in your kit for like those little last minute situations. Maybe you just need like a little kick of light somewhere. But yeah, anyway, pretty cool little buy, about $44. Also, check out the link in the description where you can purchase it on Amazon. I do have an affiliate link there. I do get a kit back. So if you do buy it, I do get a kickback from that, just to let you know. And anything and everything helps support this channel, support the stuff that I do. I'm going to try to do more of these. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram and all the social links. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.